Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Xiaomi 14 Ultra, which was recently launched, is specifically designed to excel in the camera department. Just by looking at its camera module, you can tell it's a camera-centric phone. Now, what makes the camera module so big in such phones? Well, it's likely due to the advanced camera hardware packed inside. But does this phone truly deliver flagship-level camera performance? In my upcoming video review of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, I'll delve into its camera features and provide detailed insights along with camera samples. I've already uploaded an unboxing and first impression video, the link to which you can find in the description below. The camera module of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is bigger and thicker compared to the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Unlike the classic sloped design of the previous model, this time it's flat, resulting in a straight appearance for the phone. Despite the significant size of the camera module, it seems like Xiaomi isn't too concerned about its bulkiness anymore. The design of the module includes eye-catching gold rings, with a thickness of 15.7mm due to the module. But looking at the positive side, it might offer a better grip while holding the phone. Because the index finger is mostly placed there, the phone's weight of 226 grams is on the heavier side. However, the weight distribution is well managed. The back of the phone features a buckle design, and there's an additional accessory, a handle that comes with a Type-C connection and a 1500 mAh battery. This accessory not only charges the phone but also provides a zoom lever and a two-stage shutter button. Moreover, the scroll wheel can be customized according to your preferences. However, the scroll wheel isn't in an ideal position and can be accidentally touched. Despite this, the grip enhances the shooting experience and adds convenience. Friends, the Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro are set to launch in global market on the 25th of February. I've already uploaded detailed reviews of both phones, and you can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to follow my Twitter handle to check out the prices of both phones. Now, talking about the camera of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, it features the Sony LYT 901-inch sensor as the main sensor. This sensor comes with a 5-stop variable aperture ranging from f1.63 to f4.0. The other three lenses in the setup utilize the Sony IMX858 sensor. You can observe the sensor size and focal length, 12mm, 23mm, 75mm, and 120mm. This provides full coverage from ultra-wide angle to telephoto lens. Additionally, there's a slightly upgraded camera interface for better user experience. You'll find a built-in EV adjustment option in the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, which can be minimized, making it quite a useful feature. Here you can see sample photos where the Xiaomi 14 Ultra captures excellent images. The red color appears well balanced, and the images aren't oversaturated. You can also notice the excellent color rendition akin to Leica's ability. Leica, a century-old camera manufacturer, has its color science integrated into the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, specifically the use of third-generation Leica color science. You can compare the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and Xiaomi 14 Ultra photos and notice significant differences in color rendition, exposure strategies, and contrast. In both photos, you'll observe a noticeable variation in color and exposure. Moreover, so far, I haven't seen manual EV intervention in any phone. If you're unfamiliar with EV, it stands for exposure value, which is a camera terminology related to adjusting exposure levels. You can see it in action in this photo. In the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, you'll find lower exposure values, along with reduced highlights and shadows. However, the middle portions appear the same, and brightness is well maintained. In this picture, color accuracy is significantly better in the 14 Ultra compared to the 13 Ultra. The red bricks appear darker in the 14 Ultra, which actually restores the correct color, whereas they appear more whitish in the 13 Ultra. Additionally, the portrait mode also delivers better results in the 14 Ultra. You can set the focal length at the first level, meaning you can use the 23mm focal length in portrait mode as well. You can also see images taken in portrait mode where the character cutout looks better and the accuracy is higher in the 13 Ultra. There isn't much change in color here. Now, you can see images taken at 75mm focal length where you'll notice similar effects, but if you take a moving photo, the result isn't as good. However, there's an advantage this time. It's quite rare to see consistent results across all focal lengths, but in this case, the image quality remains the same for all focal lengths. This is quite remarkable. The third-generation Leica color science brings out striking colors in the photos, with minimal highlights and shadows. The colors appear clean and accurate, as evident in this photo. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra offers the same focal lengths as its predecessor, maintaining consistency in this aspect as well. Talking about performance, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The highest variant offers 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. As for the screen, it features a 6.73-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, resulting in a density of 522 pixels per inch. The refresh rate ranges from 1 to 120 Hz and utilizes LTPO technology. Regarding brightness, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra offers a peak brightness of 3000 nits officially. When measuring brightness using HDR video, it reaches almost 1500 nits. Moving on to the battery, it houses a 5300 mAh battery. The phone supports 90-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging. Additionally, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra features satellite communication, a feature currently available only in China. Whether this feature will be available in the global variant is yet to be confirmed. Furthermore, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with additional accessories that you can use on cloudy days. When discussing the price of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, in China, the starting price for the 12GB RAM and 64GB storage variant is 64.99 Chinese yuan, which roughly £712 in UK and $903 US. In conclusion, the camera experience on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra differs from regular flagship phones because of its unique photo processing and improved results. The camera also offers a wide range of focal lengths from 12mm to 120mm, making it a standout feature of this camera-centric phone. Additionally, it incorporates Leica's third-generation color science. Therefore, if you are a photography enthusiast considering a camera-centric flagship phone, you should consider the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.